Hello children and welcome back to your English class. I'm Miss Jocelyn Flores and in this video we're going to review the vocabulary of unit number 2 that is related to family members. Okay, let's start. As you can see here we have some photos, okay? Today we're going to review the names of our family members circle. Let's begin with the photos. As you can see here, we have two photographs, okay? What can you see here? What can you see in this photo? Pay attention very carefully to this part. She is good. She is the mom, okay, or mother. And what happened in this other part? Here we have a boy. Good. He is the father. And together, the father and mother or mom and dad together are, so you can see here, together are parents. Excellent. Okay, next photograph. Who is he? What could be the name of this person that we have here? Excellent. He is grandpa. Very good. And what happened here in the other part? Who is she? What will be the name for this lady? Excellent, grandma, or also grandmother. And here we have a signal. Equals, who are they? Perfect, grandparents. Okay, let's stop for a minute. We're going to stop for a minute and we're going to try to analyze these two photographs. Look at the photos and tell me who are they. Let's start for here. What could be the name for these boys? Good, brothers. And what happened here with the ladies, here, the girls? Good, sister. Now, let's think. What's the name of this cartoon? Pay attention to the arrows. What's the name of this cartoon? We're going to use only the first part of the name of this cartoon. This is good, Uncle, Grandpa. We only are going to use uncle. Try to remember, uncle. Now we're going to continue. They are Bart Simpson. They are Bart Simpson. What will be the name for these two ladies? ¿Quiénes serán ellas de Bart Simpson? Excellent. Aunt. So here we have uncle and here we have aunt. Good. We're going to continue. Final question. Ready for this? This is the final question. What's the family member that have the same name for a boy or a girl? As you can see here, we have the photograph of a boy and here we have the photograph of a boy. What will be the name for that? Final question, let's think. Good, cousin, okay? Try to remember, you're going to use the word cousin for a boy or for a girl. Recuerden, la palabra cousin es primo o prima. Para un varón o para una niña. Se ocupa el mismo concepto, cousin. Okay, good. Now, it's time to work. We're going to use your Got It book. So, now, pay attention very carefully because now we're going to work with the same words that we already reviewed related to family members, okay? Okay. Now that you already have here your English book, you're going to open it. At the end of this, we're going to work today with the workbook part. So, you're going to go here, Unit 2. On page, you're going to open your English book. on page W10 here. Page W10, okay? Página W10 del libro de tareas, está al final. Okay, so today, in the lesson of today, we're going to work with exercise 1 and exercise 2, okay? So, try to pay attention. I am going to only read the instruction and then I am going to explain a little bit more. Number 1, complete the puzzle with the family words. What do you have to do here? You have to write the family members. As you can see here, we have the letter G, the letter P, and you have to complete with the missing letters. What will be the family member? Grandpa. Very good. You have to complete all the other words, and here in the orange part, you're going to have the mystery word. What will be the mystery word? And you write it here. Number 2, look at the family tree, then complete the sentences with the words in the box. You're going to pay a lot of attention to this family tree. And here you have family members. So I am going to read. Alan, Lucas is my. I am going to find Alan. Here is Alan. What will be Lucas of Alan? ¿Qué será Lucas de Alan? Okay, he's my father. So I find it here that Lucas is my dad. And you write it, okay? Okay, boys and girls, I hope that you understand everything. We're going in class, we're going to do this exercise, and I am going to help you. That's for the lesson of today. So, bye bye, kids. See you next week.